Pale blue envelopes slip across borders, silent as ghosts. At dawn in Lisbon, a mother opens one. The paper is crisp, the cheap ink staining her fingers. Inside, a condolence written in her own language reveals a detail only the police should know. Months later, the same slanted handwriting appears in another city, the message subtly altered by translation. Only when the letters are laid side by side does the pattern emerge, a pattern that echoes in the digital world, a final phone ping flickering across a river from one country to another. In a world where a signal outruns a body, what are we truly chasing? Each border checkpoint resets the story, and the next passport stamp could be an exit we never see. The physical and the ethereal intertwine. At sea, a predator conceals their crime within the hum of lawful commerce, a missing person lost among labeled cargo. On land, witnesses at two separate scenes recall the same haunting lullaby. The connection is invisible until the ports are overlaid on a single map. Today, our messages cross continents in an instant. So do the traces of those who wish to remain unseen. The scale of our connection only multiplies the places to hide. On a worn atlas, a researcher circles the notes, the pings, the ports, listening for a rhyme beneath the noise. Cross-border crime is colder than ordinary evil. It exploits the seams in our world. In a Warsaw evidence room, a translator studies a pale blue envelope from Lisbon. Outside, sirens fade. Inside, the only sounds are the whisper of paper and the tick of a clock. Between that clock and a family's grief lies a legal boundary. Jurisdiction. Here, warrants stall in translation. Evidence chains fray at the checkpoint. The same letter is a crucial clue in one city and a mere curiosity in another. Borders become fogged glass. You see the shape of the threat, but not the hand that guides it. To pierce that fog, investigators chase the details that travel. A joint task force trades calls through the night. A forensic genealogist triangulates a surname from a forgotten database. An analyst finds identical crystals of adhesive linking scenes an ocean apart. A scrap of glue achieving what diplomacy cannot. In this world, a rumor on a message board can travel farther than a subpoena, surfacing a photo, a witness, a clue someone thought was nothing. The method then is both simple and stubborn. Map the pattern, reconcile the law. Let the smallest human detail connect the vast distances between cases. It is a debt owed to the mother in Lisbon, who still watches her mailbox. The hunt continues, because the next clue may not be a letter at all, and it will change everything.